Today, we're going to learn 100 of the most common verbs in English. Fun and hobbies verbs. Play. The children play in the playground. Watch. We watch TV in the evening. Sing. She sings in the contest. Dance. They dance at the party. Paint. He paints beautiful pictures. Draw. He draws a strawberry. Build. He builds a car using blocks. Cook. My mom cooks delicious meals. Photograph. He photographs wildlife in the jungle. Collect. They collect rubbish on the beach. Laugh. She laughs at a funny joke. Clap. They clap after the performance. Throw. He throws the ball to his friend. Catch. He catches the ball quickly. Shopping and money verbs. Buy. I buy food in the supermarket. Sell. She sells vegetables at the market. Pay. He pays for the parcel. Save. I save money for holidays. Find. She finds her ring on the floor. Choose. He chooses a blue door. Try. He tries on a new jacket. Borrow. She borrows books from the library. Return. She returns books to the library. Carry. He carries shopping bags. Spend. She spends money on new clothes. Wrap. She wraps a present for her friend. Household verbs. Turn on. I turn on the light. Turn off. She turns off the TV. Open. She opens the window. Close. He closes the door quietly. Clean. We clean the floor every weekend. Fix. He fixes the pipe. Wash. She washes the dishes. Sweep. She sweeps the floor. Vacuum. He vacuums the floor. Iron. She irons her clothes. Water. He waters the plants every morning. Drop. He drops the ball. Break. He breaks the wall. Weather and nature verbs. Rain. It rains a lot in autumn. Snow. It snows in winter. Shine. The sun shines brightly. Grow. Flowers grow in the garden. Blow. The wind blows strongly. Melt. The ice melts in summer. Freeze. Water freezes in cold temperatures. Flood. The river floods after heavy rain. Fall. Leaves fall in autumn. Shake. The earthquake shakes the ground. Dig. She digs in the soil to plant seeds. Well done. You've now learned 50 more common verbs. Please watch Part A and Part B videos together to revise all 100 verbs you've learned. Like this video. Comment below. Download the worksheet. And subscribe for more lessons.